Cooking is not just about feeding the body, it's about sharing love, creating memories, and bringing comfort to the table. Today, let's turn simple ingredients into a meal that everyone can enjoy. Great meals begin with simple ingredients and a willing heart. Take your time, enjoy the process, and remember that every delicious dish starts with one small step. Let's make something amazing together. Yeah. Today I'm making a delicious one pot chicken and potatoes recipe. That's easy and prepare and packed with flavor. I started with the whole chicken and I cut into two pieces. Then I season it with my favorite blend of spices and let all those flavors soak in. As you can see, next I prepare the vegetables. I added potatoes, green pepper, colorful bell pepper, and fresh lemon slices and lemon juice. These are the ingredients not only add flavor but also make the dish look more beautiful. I added this is my oil, my garlic. You can see I also added one chicken stock so that it will taste good. You can see it's so colorful. I'm adding hot pepper sauce. Come on. So I'll be mixing all them together so that the taste will be one. This is vinegar I'm going to add. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm still adding more ingredients so that it will taste amazing. I'm adding my spices. Yeah, because the spices go inside, it will also give the chicken more taste, and it will. This is where the magic begins. I am adding all my seasonings to the chicken to build layers of flavor. Stay with me until the end though to see how these simple ingredients transform into a juicy, delicious one pan meal that's perfect for the whole family. Every great recipe starts with proper seasoning. Yeah, so I am making sure every pieces of chicken is coated with flavor. Keep watching because the final result is golden, colorful, and absolutely worth the wait. The secret to a tasty chicken dish is giving the spices time to work their magic. As I season and marinate this chicken, hey, imagine how flavorful it will be after baking. So if you are still watching, please keep watching. I'm adding soya sauce so that it will give more taste. I also added tomato puree. So stay tuned to see the beautiful final presentation and serving. I beg you, if you are still here, I love you. God bless you. I added my bay leaf to get smell good. I'm mixing all them together now. Everything is nicely mixed and ready for the baking pan. You can see I'm mixing all them together. The flavors are coming together perfectly, and soon the oven will transform these simple ingredients into a delicious family meal. Keep watching. Oh, don't skip, please. Oh, look at those colors and flavors coming together. I am placing everything into a baking pan or a baking dish, and in just a little while we will have a juicy, flavorful one pan chicken dinner. So stay until the end though to see the beautiful golden finish and serve. So I'm transferring everything into my baking pan, making sure the chicken and the potatoes are well coated so every bite is packed with flavor. Yeah, this is the easy part. Just arrange everything nicely, place it in the oven, and let the heat do the work. So stay with me to see how beautiful, golden, and delicious this one pan chicken will turn out. Thank you so much. Jazzy natural, no no sasum no yehu danara. Oh yeah, danara ibesin onyame bokwam mama. Oh, Trino, Sasum no yewo, Danara, Trino, Jasine Trino. Everything is nicely packed and ready for the oven. You can see. Now it's time for the heat to work its magic. As this chicken bakes, all the flavors will come together, creating a juicy, tender, and delicious meal. I use foil to roast it so that the heat will make it cook fast and no delay. So you can see it's all done and dusted. The best things in life take a little time, so let's be patient and let the oven do the rest. I will see you when it's beautiful, golden, and ready to serve. Hey, that's it. Everything is packed, seasoning, and ready to go into the oven right now. It may look simple, but in a short while it will turn into a beautiful flavor feast. Stay with me. This is my vegetable rice aside. We are going to eat with it. Yeah, we are going to, so stay with me because the final review, it's going to be worth every minute of the way. This is my salad. Hey, it's going to go perfectly on the table. Food is all about patience and love. We have prepared everything with care, and now it's time to let the oven bring out all those amazing flavors. So let's relax and let's wait for the results of this delicious one-pan chicken to become something truly special. I have my vegetable rice here. The wait is over. Our one-pan chicken, our rice is ready to serve. Simple ingredients. Golden, juicy, and full of flavor.